everybody, in our channel Learn Cooking. I'm going today to prepare potato fingers in the oven with garlic. I cleaned the potato and I chopped it. I cut into slices as fingers like this. I have spices, salt, black pepper, cumin, coriander. I have oil, and I cut some cloves of garlic into small pieces, as you can follow me. Like this. I put this tray in the oven for about 20 minutes on a medium heat. After I cut the garlic, as you can see, I put the spices, salt, coriander powder, cumin, black pepper, and mix them well with potatoes. You can cook it at the wings. I add some oil and I put it now in the oven for 20 minutes on a medium heat. I can add a little of water, quarter cup of water. Then I show you this tray. After 20 minutes it's well done now, and you can see it has a golden brown color. It's now well done. I hope you try doing this recipe. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Thank you.